Hello, my name is Ashia. Today I am going to demonstrate to you how to do a Bowie and Dick test. So a Bowie and Dick test is the second test done in the autoclave machine. So this test is done to evaluate the performance of the pre-vacuum sterilizers by confirming adequate air removal from the sterilizer chamber. The chamber must be at the operating temperature. Otherwise you have to do a warm-up cycle. So our sterilizer chamber is achieved at operating temperature. So now I prepare for the Bowie and Dick test. First of all, I have to check if there is enough printing paper to record the process of the Bowie and Dick test cycle. So I have the paper. Now I'll open the door and I'll prepare for my Bowie and Dick. So if we don't have the adequate temperature, we can change the cycle to warm up cycle before doing the Bowie and Dick test. So now because of our autoclave machine is very hot, I have to wear the protective gloves for health and safety. So this is the rack we put just above the drain of the sterilizer chamber. So this is the Bowie and Dick test pack. So before it is being processed, it's light pink in color. I'll just place it above the drain of the chamber. Now I have to close the door. And I have the Bowie and Dick test cycle. Just press the cycle and it will be all done. So now the Bowie Dick test cycle is complete. I will silence the alarm and open the door. Now I'll cut the print out. So I have to take out the Bowie Dick test packs from the autoclave machine. I'll wear the safety gloves. I leave this test pack in the cooling zone to cool down for 10 minutes. The color has changed from pink to dark blue. I leave this to cool down. I close the sterilizer door. While it is cooling down, I check the print out. So we have to fill the steam sterilizer test form. This is our steam sterilizer test form. So I'm doing the Bowie Dick test. So this is my printout. So I have to write down today's date. So it is 26th. Okay, the cycle number. I have the cycle number 15422. The holding time. The holding time is 3 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. So the minimum temperature is 134 degrees and the maximum is 135 degrees. Okay. So it says over here if it's between 134 to 137 for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, it is a pass. So my Bowie Dick test is pass. Okay. And now I have to check the color change of the indicator sheet. So this is my indicator sheet. Okay. Oh yes, the color has changed from yellow to dark blue. For our reference guide, we can see the color has has a constant change from yellow to dark blue, that means it is a pass. If the color is not constant, that means it's not a pass. So our test is pass. It has a constant change. So now I'll attach the indicator sheet in my record form with my printout. And now I have to approve the load. So this is the process we have in our department to approve the load. And in case if the test does not pass, so we have to inform our coordinator, and they will print out a maintenance form like this, and they will put the maintenance form on the out-of-place machine, so the service technician can come and have a look of the machine. Thank you.